Hey guys, it's Peggy. I'm at 309 Regatta Way out here in Seal Beach this morning, taking a look at the townhouse that just became available on the market over in the River Beach subdivision. I'm starting upstairs in the second bedroom, so I'm a little different than what I normally do, but let's take a look and show you some of the reasons why this is one of my favorite subdivisions in the Seal Beach area. This is the guest room or the second bedroom. It does have window seating here, along with its own private bathroom. One of the things I love about the River Beach townhouses is that the second bedrooms normally have their own bathrooms as opposed to sharing one up here. This is a 2-bedroom, 3-bath. You come in here to the very spacious, gorgeous master bedroom. The other feature that I absolutely love about the River Beach townhomes is that the master bedrooms typically have a beautiful fireplace in them. So in here is the master bath, which you can see has a fantastic skylight here for some additional natural light in the morning. And up here, you have these great colonial shutters that lead you out into your own private balcony, which takes you over to the bay. And you can see, come out here in the morning, have your breakfast. There's the ocean right there. Ballast Point's right across the street if you want to go grab some beer. You're just about a mile from the 2nd and PCH plaza or mall that just opened. And so it's a very great location. You can see the downstairs backyard from up here as well. There's a beautiful jogging path and bike path that a lot of people take advantage of here in the Seal Beach area. It's just a great location. I absolutely love it. The landing slips over there, and over there in the Ballast Point area is also where the Aqualink comes during the summertime to take people from downtown Long Beach into the Seal Beach area. So it's a great little spot. Just lock up this. And the River Beach townhomes are really great location. They're right across the street from the new Ocean Place development. On this particular unit, all of this is hardwood floors. So they did just recently upgrade that. I know a lot of the townhomes in this subdivision have carpet. And so these guys have done some upgrades. Beautifully done as well. Down here, this is the living room area, and this is where your third bathroom is located for your guests. Let me turn the light on in here. Here it is. And you've got a great little half bath here where your guests don't have to go upstairs to facilitate themselves. Come over here, a nice little pony wall that separates the living room from the dining room area with the great overhead chandelier. Lots of space for you to entertain your guests. Beautiful countertop with stainless steel refrigeration and a pantry. And I love that the kitchen has this great little window area so you can use it to put your knickknacks, or if you wanted to use that to have your own little herb garden, you could do that there as well. And then again, this is the backyard that we saw from upstairs in the master bedroom. And this one has some outdoor lighting here. You've got your HVAC unit over there. And again, you have access out here to, oh, there goes someone right now, the bike path that runs along here. Fantastic way to spend your mornings, or your evenings and have to see the sun go down. Beautiful sunsets. I love the landscaping that they've done here in the backyard with the canna trees. I'm not sure what those are called, to be honest with you. Again, I'm not an arborist or a landscaper, so I'm really unfamiliar with the names of bushes most of the time. I do know that this particular little bush tree thing here is one of my friend's favorite. So I always think of her whenever I see these. But this is a great location. 309 Regatta Way in Seal Beach. Like I said, you're about a mile away from 2nd and PCH out here. From this location, you're right across the street from the brand new development, Ocean Place, that's being built. And those homes, they have about 10 different floor plans that are going on over there. They start out between 2.2 million and 3.3 million. They're going to be putting a park that's accessible right there, so you'll be really close to that park, as well as the Marina Park that's right around the corner here. So there's lots of access. You have Main Street in Seal Beach that's just a few blocks away from here, and there's lots of little boutiques and restaurants to check out there. Yucatan, one of my favorite places, is also over there. But again, 309 Regatta Way, the listing price on this one is $1,049,000. $49,049, right? Yeah. Anyway, if you'd like to come see this place in person, please let me know. I'd be happy to take you for a tour of the property, show you a little bit around Seal Beach, show you why it's one of my favorite cities. Seal Beach, I don't know if you guys know, but it's like a little mini Mayberry by the Sea. They always advertise themselves as, but it truly is. It's one of the small town beach cities here in Orange County. It's actually 13 square miles big, so it's not a huge city. It's really small town. It's got that great small town feel. The neighbors and people that live here are all super nice, and there's lots of activities for you to do on your own or with family and friends. So give me a call, hit me up. I'd love to take you about and show you a little bit about why Seal Beach is great, and show you this home or any others in the Seal Beach area that you might be interested in. So look forward to talking to you. Bye.